Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Alright, so I was watching Mixed Media Girl last night on YouTube, and she tried what is for her a new technique in a collab video she did with a friend of hers, and I thought to myself, oh wow, after watching hers, because I had tried the same technique a while back, and I did not get the same type of results she did. I got something similar, but I didn't get the same exact result. So I will link to my video below. I will link to her video below. I will also link to the artist I watched before I did mine, Erica Art, who's done a lot of reverse dips. And I will link to her channel below because she is a master. She's just amazing. This is how mine turned out. If you watch Mixed Media Girl's recent one where she tried this technique, she ended up with obviously the circles, because we both did a spiral pattern to start, but hers turned out amazing, just like a blooming rose. It was just amazing. And the main difference, well, she used Artist Loft Flow acrylic only, 3 colors. I used a lot more colors and a lot of other paints. So that's one difference right there. The other thing she did differently that I've never seen anybody do before in one of these reverse dip videos is, instead of using a dry paper towel like I did, and like Erica Art has done in at least some of hers, she moistened it. Mixed Media Girl moistened her paper towel with water first before she did the dip. So I'm going to try that because I want to see if I can get something similar to what she got. She had a lot of cells, and she had, like I said, gorgeous rose just appear in the middle of hers. It was, please go watch her video. So we're going to give it a try. I'm going to use also only 3 colors, Artist Loft Flow acrylic. I'm not trying to copy their collaboration, which is black, white, and a 3rd color. It just so happens that that's what I'm going to do. But instead of red, I'm going to use blue. So I have Artist Loft Flow acrylic black, blue, and white. And I will start by putting some white on the canvas to give it a base coat. I'm going to torch that because I see lots of bubbles. And just get rid of them. Okay. Now I shall commence the spiral. For those of you who have ever read the Roger Zelazny 9 Princes in Amber series, I always think of this as a very, very easy version of the pattern they walk in those stories. And I would love for this to take me somewhere else once I get to the end of the pattern. But that's a whole different train of thought. We're just going for a paint design here. Okay, it's already got some white. I'll put a little more. And then we'll go with more blue because I love blue. It's like my favorite color. For those of you who don't know that yet, clearly you haven't watched many of my videos. Yet, right? Right. Okay, so I'm going to spritz my paper towel with water. I'm not getting it drenched because it would just probably fall apart. These are not the world's greatest paper towels that I have on hand in terms of quality and strength. Okay, and I will now place my moistened towelette on to the pattern. And I will not squish, I'm not pressing hard, but I do want to get out all the air bubbles so that all of the napkin or paper towel is up against all of the paint, or the paint can soak into the towel, however you want to think of this. Don't want any gaps, basically. It's definitely coming through a little bit. Okay, I think I've got a pretty good seal there. And we'll pick it up by the edge, or by the corners, sorry. And do a little twist at the end maybe, because, you know, spirals and swirls. All right, well, that looks beautiful. What I'm curious about is if we're going to get any cells. I already see a few little ones coming up. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes. We'll come back and check it out. We'll see if anything develops. Stay tuned. And we're back. It's about 20 minutes later. I must say that while I did get some cell action, this is nothing like what Mixed Media Girl got in hers. So hats off to her. I think hers was just stellar. Please do go check it out. This is beautiful. I'm thrilled with it. It is rather similar to my last one. Different colors. But otherwise, same sort of thing happened. In my case, wetting the towel didn't really make a whole lot of difference. So I'll try it again some other time, but for now, stay safe everyone. I will see you in the next video.